G'day, here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's been wetted to help show the colours, rules in millimetres. First piece is this nice piece here. I don't think it goes back much further than what you can see there where the opal sort of finishes, but you could cut it that way possibly, or if you wanted to try to make it into a very high dome, but also there is a crack or a natural fault line there, so from there up it might break off when you're trying to cut it, but it looks like it's going across that way, so you might still get most of that. This piece is a bit of matrix type material with colour bar running around there like that in a convex concave manner. It does come out the other side a little bit, but not as pronounced. It was showing up there earlier, spot there. So if you grind the top off that shape, off that way, then you've got a dome of matrix, I think, with this one. It's a nice dark blue stone. What you can see, it's on the top there that's been ground down, chasing the colour bar, and that's what's left, so you're looking at having to end up with a stone the size that's in the middle there. And like I think I said earlier, the white is the reflection of the lights. I'm sorry about that. It's quite nice colours in that. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.